Have you ever wondered if there are hidden dangers in space? These dangers may not be what you think. Introducing rogue planets. They're cosmic wanderers, drifting through our galaxy. Unlike regular planets, they don't orbit a star. This makes them incredibly difficult to detect. Rogue planets can be incredibly massive. Some are larger than Jupiter. Others may be small but clever at hiding. They can still affect our solar system. Their gravitational pull might disrupt orbits of other celestial bodies. This can lead to unpredictable consequences for Earth. Now, let's break down how rogue planets form. It usually starts within a star system. Planets can get ejected due to gravitational interactions. Over time, they escape their original solar system, becoming rogue. This explains why they roam freely through space. Spotting a rogue planet is challenging. Traditional telescopes look for light from stars. But rogue planets don't emit light. Instead, they reflect faint starlight. This requires intense observation and advanced technology. Scientists use infrared cameras to hunt for these elusive worlds. Consider this scenario: a rogue planet approaches our solar system. If it enters our region, its gravity could affect nearby planets, including Earth. This could lead to changes in climate or disruptions in orbits. Understanding rogue planets helps us prepare for unexpected space events. In summary, rogue planets pose a unique threat to Earth. They drift silently away from their stars. Their gravitational influence could lead to significant alterations in our solar system. We must continue our research and observation of these cosmic wanderers. So, what can you do? Stay curious and informed about space. Subscribe for updates on space phenomena. Explore more about how we protect our planet from cosmic threats. Remember, knowledge is our best defense against the unknown. Rogue planets, while elusive, reveal their presence through the gravitational effects they exert on nearby bodies. Astronomers have observed from billions of miles away how these wandering giants can subtly shift the orbits of distant planets. This disturbance may go unnoticed until it manifests in a significant manner, impacting everything from asteroid belts to the delicate balance of planetary atmospheres. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for both researchers and the general public. As scientists deepen their exploration of rogue planets, they develop new techniques to track their movements. By measuring tiny fluctuations in star positions, astronomers can indirectly locate these wandering worlds. Each discovery not only broadens our understanding of planetary formation but also raises questions about the potential for life on rogue planets. Could they harbor conditions for life despite their solitary existence? This tantalizing possibility fuels further investigation and sparks the imagination of many. The more we learn, the more we realize that the cosmos is full of surprises, and our pursuit of knowledge continues to expand. As we advance in technology, the quest to unveil the secrets of rogue planets becomes ever more critical. Researchers are harnessing complex algorithms and machine learning to analyze vast amounts of data collected from observatories around the globe. This innovative approach allows them to sift through noise and identify potential rogue candidates lurking in the depths of space. Each potential discovery contributes to a larger narrative about our universe, emphasizing the interconnectivity between celestial phenomena and the fate of our own planet. Through collaboration across disciplines, scientists hope to decode the mysteries surrounding these enigmatic wanderers, ultimately revealing their influence on the cosmic stage. Engaging with this research encourages an appreciation for the unseen forces at play, inspiring both awe and respect for the universe we inhabit. In recent years, several rogue planets have been identified, leading to shifts in how we perceive our place in the cosmos. Each find beckons scientists to consider not just their formation, but the implications for future explorations. As we enhance our observational capabilities, we may uncover more about these planets' histories, revealing connections to long-lost star systems. Moreover, understanding rogue planets can teach us how capable our solar system is at resisting external influences, paving the way for better predictive models of celestial mechanics and potential threats. Let's stay vigilant and engaged in uncovering these cosmic mysteries. In conclusion, by grasping the intricacies of rogue planets, we not only strive to safeguard Earth but also deepen our connection to the vast universe. As we continue exploring these cosmic wanderers, we equip ourselves with knowledge, ensuring we are prepared for whatever lies beyond our starry skies.